Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Blurry Textures. So before we do begin with this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that you'd actually do is adjust your in-game graphics from automatic to manual. To do that, just go ahead and click on escape right over here on your keyboard. To bring up this menu right over here, click on settings, scroll down until you see the section that says graphics. Your graphics mode will be on default for automatic, so what I'd recommend is by doing it on manual. If your graphics quality is on the lowest, as you can see, the graphics on the background has been a blurry texture. And on the settings are over here, let me go back. I'd recommend turning it on the highest one, and it will give you the best quality for your Roblox. That's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.